How to see send friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can see send friend request on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see send friend request on Facebook, which means we want to see the friend request that we have sent, not that we have received. So in order to do that, go and open the Facebook application here, and once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where you want to simply go to the friends icon here and you can see friend request. So first tap the see all button next to the friend request, right? And you'll see all the friend requests that you've received. But to see the ones that you have sent, you have to tap the three dots option from the top right hand side of the screen. When you tap the three dot icon, at the bottom you'll find a little pop-up that says view sent request, and when you tap on view sent request option, you should be able to see a list of friend requests that you have sent on Facebook to other people. This way you can see send friend request on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.